What up guys, it's your boy Kemar, and today I'm going to do something really different. So Rakisha is on her way to work and I'm going to pack my bag and I'm going to go into the hills. I'm just trying to experience the life of a while without any internet nor house today. Just maybe for 30 minutes or 1 hour, I'm just going to see. I usually went to the hills when I was small, but today is going to be very different. So let's get into it. So what we have here, guys, I have my keys, I have my for my tripod to put my phone in, and I got my iPhone, I got my selfie stick, so when my camera runs out of charge, I can charge it. I have my laptop here for backup purpose, and I have my mouse, but I don't need the mouse, but I'm going to carry it anyway. And I have my bag, right, and I got a knife. This knife is for not to kill anyone, but if anything happens, I can use this to protect myself or to clear myself away. Maybe I can find a bird and I would have to kill it and eat it. So let's go. So I'm gonna pack. I don't know what is that, guys, but I'm scared. Yeah, really scared because I don't know. So I'm going to show you around, guys. Really wild. I'm hearing some footsteps. I don't know, but I'm well prepared, even though my knife is in my bag. I'm feeling really scared. Trust me, I'm feeling really scared right now. But I'm gonna go in deeper in the woods. Yeah, I'm a nigga. I'm not saying I'm not, but I'm not crazy. I'm just trying to see how I can perform my life or my day without any distraction, guys. So let's go. Yeah, so guys, it's like I'm going deeper into the woods. I don't know where the path is. Come along with me, guys. And all things like that. Whew. Hey guys, I'm so scared. Wow. It's like I'm not going any more further, guys. Trust me. It's like a slaughterhouse up here. Almond tree, guys. Yeah. So that's it. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. But guys, I'm so scared. Do you guys hear that? I think I'm gonna camp right here. So guys, as you can see, I'm in the wild, right? And I have four almond, right? But I need to get them open. Right, I'm gonna get my knife out, right? So I'm gonna use a rock. I'm gonna try to open this. Yeah. So to see, yeah. So guys, this is, you have to survive by any means to survive when you're in the hills. Yeah, hill life is not that easy. It's not easy, guys. I'm really scared, trust me. When I say I'm scared, I'm scared. Nuts. Guys, I ain't going any more further. I'm training the towel, guys. That's very scary. I'm gonna try to go a little deeper just to see. Like I'm seeing things, guys, but I'm not going in. So guys, I'm going back out. That's all I can do, guys, is to go back out. So as you can see, guys, I have forfeit, right? I withdraw, whatever you want to call it, but I'm very scared, guys. You know, nowadays, just to show you that, you know, as I hear a little rattling, I have to be looking because I don't know, and I don't know which way I came. Please call the rescue team. I'm very lost now. So yeah, but you know, I think this would right here would be a very good camping area. Look, surrounding is well flat. So let's look. The surrounding, guys, well flat and thing. So I think I could have set my camp right. Guys, tell me what you think. If you guys want to see us camp out in these hills, me and my wife, then let me know. Right, but to me, it's not really a good sight. Very scary. I thought I could have managed, but I can't. So that's it, basically. Yeah, basically, guys, I thought I could have done this, but I can't. So that's it for this one. So keep it real. Keep it real until next time. Right? Yes, guys, I am back home. Guys, and trust me, it wasn't even 10 minutes. Guys, I carried one bag of things and I didn't even spend an hour out there. But you know what it is, guys. You know, time changes. You know, you grow up and, you know, more fear, more understanding start, you know, clicking, you know, in your mind. So that is why I got a little bit scared. Not saying I'm a scary cat, but I got a little bit scared because the hills just look so wild and, you know, yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. The next time I will take Rakisha with me and two of us will spend one whole day together. I will feel more confident know that we have each other's back. But I'm alone in the hills and anything can happen. My wife is not here, she gone to work. So understand, guys. So thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. And if you enjoyed this video, guys, please comment down below, tell me what you think. And if you want to see more adventurous video like this one, guys, don't forget to comment, request them and let me know and we will put them together. So thank you for watching and boy, I'm out.